Audi just pulled off one of the most dramatic lineup shuffles in recent memory, and the result sitting in front of me is nothing short of fascinating. The 2025 Audi A5 has arrived with a mission: replace both the beloved A4 sedan and the practical A5 Sportback while somehow making everyone happy. Bold move, Audi. But does this automotive Swiss Army knife actually deliver on its ambitious promises? After spending quality time with this reimagined luxury sedan, I'm here to break down everything you need to know about what could be your next premium ride. From its head-turning design to its tech-packed interior, we're diving deep into whether the new A5 deserves a spot in your driveway. Let me start with what hits you first. This car looks absolutely stunning. Audi's designers didn't just phone it in here. The new A5 sports a fastback silhouette that's both elegant and athletic, managing to look sophisticated at a business lunch and sporty at a weekend cars and coffee meet. The front end features Audi's signature single-frame grille, but it's been refined with sharper angles and more aggressive detailing. Those LED headlights? They're not just functional, they're practically jewelry for your car. The daytime running lights create a distinctive signature that screams premium from blocks away. Moving to the side profile, you'll notice this isn't just a reskinned A4. Audi stretched the wheelbase significantly, creating better proportions and more interior space. The roofline flows gracefully toward the rear, giving it that coupe-like aesthetic without sacrificing practicality. It's longer, wider, and taller than its predecessor, but somehow manages to look more athletic. The rear end deserves special mention with its sleek taillights connected by a light bar that spans the width of the car. It's a design element that's becoming Audi's signature, and it works beautifully here. The integrated spoiler and dual exhaust outlets complete the look, giving it just enough aggression without going overboard. Step inside, and you're immediately transported into Audi's vision of the future. The interior represents a massive leap forward from the outgoing models, and honestly, it's both impressive and slightly overwhelming. The centerpiece is that massive curved display that dominates the dashboard. We're talking about an 11.9-inch digital instrument cluster paired with a 14.5-inch infotainment touchscreen, all housed in one sweeping piece of curved glass. It looks like something from a sci-fi movie, and the graphics are crisp and responsive. Now, I know some of you are thinking about physical buttons, and yes, Audi has gone almost completely digital here. The infotainment system is intuitive once you spend some time with it, but there's definitely a learning curve. The good news is that the system responds quickly, and the menu structure makes sense once you get the hang of it. Material quality is exactly what you'd expect from Audi. The leather upholstery feels premium, the ambient lighting creates the perfect mood, and the fit and finish is practically flawless. 3-zone climate control comes standard, so everyone stays comfortable regardless of their temperature preferences. The front seats are supportive and offer plenty of adjustment, including power controls that come standard. But here's where the new A5 really shines: rear seat space. Thanks to that stretched wheelbase, backseat passengers get genuinely comfortable accommodations. We're talking about adult-friendly legroom and headroom that makes this car practical for real-world use. Under the hood, Audi has simplified things considerably. There's just one engine option for the standard A5, a turbocharged 2-liter 4-cylinder that produces 268 horsepower and 295 pound-feet of torque. But here's the kicker. It's assisted by a 48-volt mild hybrid system that provides extra torque when you need it most. This isn't just about power figures on paper. The mild hybrid system eliminates turbo lag almost entirely, giving you immediate throttle response that makes the car feel more alive in daily driving. Whether you're merging onto the highway or passing slower traffic, the power delivery is smooth and predictable. The 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission is a perfect partner for this engine. Shifts are lightning quick when you want them to be, but smooth and refined during normal driving. You can paddle shift your way through the gears if you're feeling sporty, or just let the transmission do its thing during your daily commute. All-wheel drive comes standard, which means you get confident traction in all weather conditions. The Quattro system has been refined over decades, and it shows. Power distribution happens seamlessly, giving you the confidence to tackle twisty roads or slippery conditions without breaking a sweat. Performance estimates put the 0 to 60 time at around 5.2 seconds, which is plenty quick for this class. It's not going to pin you to your seat like a sports car, but it provides more than enough acceleration for any real-world driving situation. Getting behind the wheel, The first thing you notice is how refined everything feels. The steering is precise and well-weighted, though it doesn't provide the kind of feedback that driving enthusiasts crave. This is clearly a car designed for comfortable cruising rather than canyon carving. The suspension tuning strikes a nice balance between comfort and control. You can definitely feel that Audi prioritized ride quality over outright sportiness, and that's probably the right call for this market. Road imperfections are absorbed well, making long highway drives genuinely relaxing. That said, the A5 isn't completely soft. Push it through some corners, and you'll find it remains composed and predictable. The all-wheel drive system provides confidence-inspiring grip, and the chassis feels solid and well-controlled. It's not going to thrill you like a BMW 3 Series might, but it's engaging enough to keep driving interesting. The adaptive dampers that are available on higher trims add another layer of customization, letting you dial in the ride quality to match your mood or driving conditions. It's technology that works transparently in the background, making the car better without requiring constant attention from the driver. Let's talk about the tech package, because this is where the A5 really tries to differentiate itself. That massive infotainment screen isn't just for show. It houses Audi's latest MMI system, which includes wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, built-in navigation, and a premium Bang & Olufsen sound system on higher trims. The optional passenger display is an interesting touch. It's a 10.9-inch screen that only the passenger can see when the car is moving, thanks to some clever engineering. Your passenger can control entertainment options, browse navigation, or even watch videos without distracting the driver. The head-up display projects important information directly onto the windshield, including speed, navigation directions, and driver assistance information. It's clear and well-positioned, adding to the high-tech feel without being distracting. Driver assistance features are comprehensive, with standard automated emergency braking, lane keeping assist, and adaptive cruise control. Higher trims add features like parking sensors, lane centering capability, and traffic sign recognition. It's a solid suite of safety technology that works well in practice. One of the biggest improvements in the new A5 is cargo space. Audi managed to squeeze 26 cubic feet of storage into the rear cargo area, which is over 4 cubic feet more than the previous A5 Sportback. That's impressive progress and makes this car genuinely practical for everyday use. The rear seats fold down for even more cargo capacity, and the wide opening makes loading larger items relatively easy. Whether you're hauling groceries, luggage for a weekend trip, or gear for your hobbies, the A5 can handle it without breaking a sweat. Fuel economy is rated at 26 mpg combined, with 22 mpg in the city and 31 mpg on the highway. Those are respectable numbers for a luxury all-wheel drive sedan with this level of performance. The mild hybrid system helps efficiency during city driving, while the aerodynamic body helps on the highway. Starting at around $51,000 for the base premium trim, the A5 positions itself competitively against rivals like the BMW 3 Series, Mercedes C-Class, and Genesis G70. The recommended Premium Plus trim at about $55,000 adds features like the panoramic sunroof, upgraded lighting, heated steering wheel, and the premium audio system. Compared to its direct competitors, the A5 offers more rear seat space than most, impressive cargo capacity, and Audi's reputation for build quality and luxury. It may not be the sportiest option in the segment, but it covers more bases than most of its rivals. The Genesis G70 offers more value and a better warranty, while the BMW 3 Series provides a more engaging driving experience. The Mercedes C-Class matches the A5's luxury credentials but can't compete on space or practicality. It really comes down to what matters most to you as a buyer. After thoroughly examining the new Audi A5, I can confidently say that Audi has succeeded in their ambitious mission. This car effectively replaces two different models while creating something that's better than either of its predecessors in most measurable ways. The design is striking and sophisticated, the interior is genuinely luxurious with impressive technology, and the driving experience hits the right notes for this market segment. The powertrain provides adequate performance with good efficiency, and the practicality improvements make it a car you can live with every day. Is it perfect? Not quite. The heavy emphasis on touchscreen controls won't appeal to everyone. The steering could use more feedback for driving enthusiasts, and the price can climb quickly with options. But these are relatively minor complaints in the context of what this car accomplishes overall. If you're shopping for a luxury sedan that combines style, technology, practicality, and Audi's renowned build quality, the 2025 A5 deserves serious consideration. It may not be the most exciting car in its class, but it might just be the most well-rounded. And sometimes that's exactly what you need. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.